Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's James here, and today I'm really excited to talk about something that's been a game changer for my setup, the UPERFECT K118 Portable 8H 2K FreeSync monitor. Now, I've reviewed quite a few monitors over the years, but this one, it's been an absolute standout for gaming, work, and just day-to-day use. The best part, it's super portable, which means you can take it anywhere whether you're gaming on the go or need an extra screen for productivity. This monitor has got you covered. Let me walk you through my experience with it. First off, let's talk about the design and build. I'm a huge fan of how sleek the professional this monitor looks. The 8-inch screen size is perfect. It's big enough to enjoy detailed visuals but still compact enough to be super portable. And the best part, it's got these ultra thin bezels which makes the whole thing feel more immersive when you're playing games or watching movies. The body itself feels sturdy but it's surprisingly light, only 1.23 kilograms. I can easily throw it in my backpack without even noticing it's there. If you're like me and you love taking your setup on the go, you're going to appreciate how easy it is to carry around. I've taken it to cafes, on trips, and even used it outside, and it just makes life so much easier. Plus, it comes with a foldable stand that setups in seconds, no fiddling with clunky setup. It's all about that simplicity, which I really appreciate. Now let's talk about the display. This is where the UPERFECT K118 really shines. The 2K resolution is gorgeous, and it's a huge upgrade from Full HD with over 2 million pixels on that 18-inch screen. You're getting incredibly sharp details, and I've noticed that everything looks so much clearer. Whether I'm playing my favorite games or just browsing through some videos, the color reproduction is on point. We're talking about 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, so colors are vibrant, rich, and lifelike. Whether it's deep reds, bright blues, or dark shadows, everything looks so much more dynamic. I've used it for some casual content creation, and the clarity of text and images makes editing way easier. The K118 doesn't just look good on static content, it's made for gaming too. It handles fast-paced action perfectly thanks to the 144Hz refresh rate, which we'll dive in just a second. Alright, let's get into performance. If you're into gaming, especially competitive gaming, you'll love what this monitor has to offer. The 144Hz refresh rate is a huge step up, and let me tell you, it makes a massive difference. Everything from fast-moving shooters to racing sims looks buttery smooth. I've been deep into some high-action games, and the fluidity of the K118 screen has totally changed my experience. No more motion blur or ghosting, just fast, clear, and crisp movements. It makes tracking opponents in shooters or executing tight turns in racing games so much easier. And with the 9ms response time, there's no lag to slow you down. That means when you press a button, the monitor responds instantly. There's no delay, which is crucial for gamers where every millisecond counts. Honestly, the first time I played on this monitor, I could feel the difference. It's faster, smoother, and way more responsive compared to my old monitor. And it's not just good for gaming, everything you do in this monitor just feels smoother, from watching videos to scrolling through websites. One of the things I appreciate about the K118 is the FreeSync technology. If you ever played a game and noticed those annoying screen tears, you know how disruptive it can be. FreeSync eliminates that issue entirely by synchronizing the monitor's refresh rate with your device frame rate, so you get a smooth, tear-free gaming experience. It's so satisfying to just immerse yourself to a game without those restrictions. Whether I'm playing a fast-paced FPS or a cinematic RPG, the visual experience is seamless, and that's exactly what you want when you're gaming at your best. Let's talk about connectivity, because this monitor is super versatile. It got both mini HDMI and USB-C ports, so you can connect it to pretty much anything. I've hooked it up on my laptop, PS5, and even my Nintendo Switch without any issues. The best part is that it's plug and play, no complicated setups or extra adapters needed. I just plug it in and I'm good to go. That's simple. Whether you're gaming on your console, working on your laptop, or watching content from your phone, the K118 makes it effortless to connect and start using right away. It works great for all kinds of devices, so you're not limited to just one or two options. Another unexpected surprise with the K118 is the built-in audio. It has dual speakers, and honestly, they sound pretty good for a portable monitor.
Mother, have a seat.
It's this way, Mahito.
I'll be your guide. What is this place?
This world.
Of course, if you're looking for a full audio setup, you'll want to use headphones or external speakers. But for gaming, music, or movies, these speakers do the job well. It's nice not having to carry extra gear when you're out and about. And speaking of extended sessions, the K118 also comes with some great eye care features. I spend a lot of time on screens, and the low blue light technology and flicker-free tech on this monitor makes a huge difference. It helps reduce eye strain, which is super important if you're like me and tend to get lost in the game or work for hours on end. Trust me, your eyes will thank you. So to wrap things up, I've been absolutely loving the UPERFECT K118 portable monitor. It's the perfect blend for portability, performance, and great visuals. Whether you're gaming, working, or just watching your favorite content, this monitor delivers. It's easy to take anywhere, and the 144Hz refresh rate, 2K resolution, and FreeSync tech really elevates your experience. If you're looking for a portable gaming monitor that can handle everything you throw at it, this one is definitely worth considering. If you want to grab one for yourself, I'll drop the link in my description. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss out any future reviews. Catch you all in the next video. Peace!